Hey guys, I'm A.
And I'm Jay.
And welcome to A and J Vlogs.
For this video, you are going to need white rice, Knorr chicken bouillon, and tomato bouillon.
So now you're going to want to put 5 cups of water into your blender.
So now you're going to put in your chicken bouillon, 1 cube, and you're going to put a cube of tomato bouillon and a second cube of tomato bouillon into the blender.
So now that you have your water with the 3 cubes of bouillon, you may begin to blend.
So now you're going to take out a strainer and you're going to put in your rice so you can wash it.
Now wash your rice with water and make sure you wash it fully.
So now you're going to get out a pan and you're going to turn on your stove to medium heat. Make sure you have vegetable oil in your pan and add in your rice. Then start stirring your rice. Stir your rice constantly. Make sure you keep on stirring, or else it will get burned.
Now that your rice has that nice golden brown color, you're going to want to add your chicken bouillon mix.
Cover your rice with the lid so it can start boiling.
Check on your rice every 10 minutes.
Check your rice to see if it's well cooked. If not, add more water.
So now cover your rice and turn off your stove. Let it sit for 30 minutes.
And this is our final result.
So tell us, Jay, what were your thoughts about the red rice?
The red rice was soft and had a right amount of flavor.
Please like and subscribe.
And follow us on Instagram.